based question related to day-to-day life. Again, they are telling a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank. Okay, so means a farmer is connecting a cylindrical pipe. Let it there be a cylindrical pipe whose internal diameter means this diameter of that pipe is 20 centimeter. This is our diameter. So if we talk about radius, the radius will become diameter upon 2, so it will become 10 centimeter. Then they are telling into a cylindrical tank. Now this pipe the person has connected into a cylindrical tank. So when they have connected this pipe into a cylindrical tank, and the dimension of the which is 10 meter in diameter of the tank, the diameter they have given is 10 meters. So for this tank I am taking capital is 10 meters, so capital R will become 5 meter. Diameter ka half will be radius, and the depth of this tank is 2 meter. Okay, that means we can take the height as 2 meter because it is cylindrical in shape. Now if water flows through the pipe में से पानी flow कर रहा है, water is flowing into the tank. Okay, water is flowing into the tank, and the rate of water what they have given rate is equals to 3 kilometer per hour. Now here I have explained while solving in volume question. Now again the same concept will be there. They are asking how much time will the tank be filled, means how much time the tank will be filled. So obviously the water, how much water we want the water equal to the volume of the cylindrical tank के बराबर वॉल्यूम चाहिए पानी का. मीन्स सेम वाटर शुड कम आउट ऑफ द पाइप, मीन्स पाइप में से जितना पानी बाहर निकलेगा दैट विल बी इक्वल टू द वाटर या वॉल्यूम ऑफ द टैंक. Okay, so this is the very simple equation we will get, but before that we have to convert the unit. Here these two things are in centimeter, it is kilometer per hour, and here every measurement is given in meter. So let us convert the units first. So we will start our solution here. Now see, it is given rate of flowing water, the rate of water is equals to, okay, so what will be the rate of water? Yeah, rate of, don't write rate of water, rate right there, rate of flowing water is continuously flowing from the pipe. The rate of flowing water is equals to, they are telling 3 kilometer per hour. So we'll convert this kilometer into meters, so we'll multiply it by 1000. R we will convert into minutes, so we will divide it by 60, so it will become per minute. We can cancel, so it's 0, and here 300 upon 6 meter per minute, and if I will cancel more, so it will become 50, so thus it is 50 meter per minute. Okay, and we will write here, let the time taken to fill the tank be x minute. Okay, so again the concept will be same, it will be volume of water coming from the pipe, okay, is equals to volume of the tank, है, volume of water coming from the pipe is equals to volume of water, volume of the tank. Now here volume of water from the pipe. So when we talk about pipe, it is cylindrical in shape, so our formula will become, for cylinder it will be pi r square h is equals to, here volume of tank, again it is cylindrical, so it will be pi capital R square and capital H. So here we can observe pi and pi, so it will be cancel. Now here R square, so we are talking about small r, so it will be 10 into H. H means height, but here we are talking about rate of flowing, so here H will be considered as rate. Rate means 50, here is meter per minute, but it will not move for 1 minute, it will take some time, so let that time is x. So here it comes, the volume is equals to pi r square h. So here pi, so we have already cancelled r square h, so r is coming 5 into 5 into height they have given as 2. Now we will transpose. So what transpose we will do here, remaining all the things will go that side, so it will become 5 into 5 into 2. Now one more thing we are forgetting is, these things are in meter and in meter, so we have to convert them into centimeter. So when we convert it into centimeter, it will become as, so this is in meter and meter, but here this, both the tens are in centimeter and centimeter. If you are getting confused, you can write here unit, it is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So we have two choices, either we convert this meter into centimeter or this centimeter into meter. तो इस centimeter को meter में अपन बदल लेते हैं, तो what it will become, it will become 10 upon 100 meter into 10 upon 100 meter into 50 meter upon, it is in minute, so we can cancel here and here. And now we will transpose. So let's see, I am explaining there. So we will transpose. So in transpose, what we are going to do, okay, so we'll keep x alone and we will transpose. So it's 5 meter into 5 meter into, it is 2 meter upon, what will come, upon will come, it's 50 meter and it will come 100 minutes, and here meter and meter, it is meter cube is coming, so we can cancel 10 and 10, 5 ones and 1s, it is meter cube will be cancelled, so x is equals to 5 to the 10 into 10, so it will come 100 minute. So last line which you are going to write is, thus 100 minutes will be required. How much time will be required? So 100 minutes will be required. Here meter cube, here 3 meters are there, 1, 2 and 3. So same units will be cancelled and only minute will be left. That's why it is coming 100 minute.